A, B, C, D. ऑप्शन पढ़ेर देऊ आंसर गर्ल्स आफ्नो टर्नमा मात्रै आन्सर दिने है टाइम 5 सेकेन्ड मात्र हुन्छ है त्यो कुरा ख्याल गर delivering computing services such as storage servers, database and networking over the internet, storing files only, and programming language for web development, hardware device used in networking. Option A right answer. Girls ray number 2 and boys tira hai. Who is considered as the father of cloud computing? E of Code, Charles Benjamin, JCR Leader, and Tim Berners-Lee. Option C right answer. अनि अर्को चाहिँ के छ भन्दा क्वेशन गयो गर्ल्स तिर है which of the following is not a type of cloud deployment? Public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and linear cloud. Option D linear cloud is right answer. Which of the following are key characteristics of cloud computing? Security, high availability, broad network access, all of the above. D is right answer. एउटा रिफर गरेर अर्कोले भन्ने हैन फ्याट्टा आफै भन्ने है and question number 5 which term correctly expands SaaS? Software and system service, software is a solution, software is a service and system is a software. Option C software is a service right answer. Which of the following is an application of cloud computing? Option A है आफै हेर Adobe Creative Cloud, PayPal, Google Workspace and all of the above. Option number D all of the above is right answer. Which of the following is an example of cloud services? Amazon Web Service, Dropbox, Cisco Web X, all of the above. Exam में दोहोरिरहेको क्वेशन हो Okay, time over, boys. Option Option D, all of the above is right answer, boys. Again, boys, which of the following is an example of PaaS? Example of PaaS. Option A, B, C, and D. D. Okay, D is right answer. Question number 10, girls. Which of the following represents IaaS provider? IaaS provider यिनीहरु मध्येको चाहिँ IaaS provider कुन चाहिँ हो? A, B, C, D. Boys को 1 मार्क्स काट दे त Okay, time over. Boys, D is right answer. Again, boys, which statement is correctly describes cloud computing? Okay, it pools and shares cloud computing resources. It is simply the internet. It eliminates networking hardware. Only large organization can use it. Wrong answer. Okay, girls. Option number A is right answer. Okay, identify the correct statement, girls. Azure supports .NET applications over the internet. Cloud computing has service and deployment models. Amazon built data centers mainly for search engine. Cloud services are developed via the internet. Option D wrong answer. Okay, option C is right answer. Again, boys, which model categorizes cloud system using 4 dimensions, cloud cube model, cloud grid model, cloud service model, network model. Option C, wrong answer, and option A is right answer. Which statement about cloud deployment model is correct? Cosco, girls ko ki boys ko turn? Option A, B, C, D. Option A right answer. And 15. Which layers act as an backend in cloud architecture? Okay. C is right answer. Cloud applications mainly suffer from WAN related noise, latency, signal loss, interference. WAN related issue कौन सा है यो? Cosco, girls. B right answer. Which architectural approach support cloud computing? In your मध्ये को चाहिँ कुन आर्किटेक्चरले क्लाउड कम्प्युटिङलाई सपोर्ट गर्छ है त? एकदम सजिलो छ, फास्ट. All of the above. Option number D is right answer. Which statement is correct? Which statement is correct? Option A, cloud computing creates new opportunities. Licensing is unaffected by cloud computing. Licensing is unaffected by cloud computing. Again, 2 times same options. And cloud computing discourages scalability. Which option is correct? Option number A is right answer. Which is the incorrect statement about cloud computing? Incorrect. Private clouds may lack large scale pooling. Data center operate under peak load only. Virtualization enables share assets. Abstraction improve resources sharing. Boys, B or D? D. D wrong answer, girls. B right answer. Identify the wrong statement. Virtualization maps. Sign कर दो तो. Sign कर दो. Yes लेकर. Virtualization maps physical resources. Virtualization appliances are important. Alliances are important. Cloud object. Cloud computing works without protocol. Option C is right answer. Okay. Option number 22. देखाइदिएको तिमीले धेरै गल्ती गर्यो त्यही भएर है धेरै गल्ती गर्यो धेरै एक दुईटा देखाइदिएको देखेपछि अलिकति प्र्याक्टिस होस् भनेर. Which of the statement is correct? हेर अप्सन मैले पढ्दिन्न. Okay, D is right answer. And identify the incorrect. Again incorrect statement पत्ता लगाऊ है त. Girls. आफै पढ 10 सेकेन्डको टाइम लिएर. Cloud services cover many applications. Cloud discourages open protocols. Atom supports HTTP based updates. Cloud improve interoperability. D. Wrong answer. Option B is right answer. Identify the incorrect statement. What is required in cloud computing? User identity and authentication, portable authentication, identity establishment, all of the above. D, all of the above is right answer. Cloud computing offers four physical resources as physical machines, virtual resources, uh, dedicated hardware, standalone servers. Fast. Option C or B? Option C, wrong answer. Option B, right answer. Okay, Amazon's cloud platform is known as Amazon को AWS होगी, Azure होगी, Google Cloud होगी, OpenStack Amazon को धेरै पटक रिभिजन भइसकेछ हाँ A or B or C or D? D. D wrong answer. यता आयो Amazon AWS भन्ने कति पटक कुरा गरे हो Amazon AWS is right answer. Cloud computing shifts capital expenditure to fixed expenditure of operational hardware maintenance and maintenance. Fast. Yes. Fixed operational hardware maintenance. B right answer. Identify the wrong statements. Cloud fulfills utility computing goals. Internet enables cloud scalability. Soft computing defines cloud delivery. Cloud supports pay as you go. Identify the wrong statement. Kata boys bada girls? Boys. Okay. C. C is right answer. Question number 29. According to CSA, Cloud Security Alliances, the most essential cloud element is virtualization, multi-tenancy, identity, the access management, all of the above. A, B, C, D. A or D? Wrong answer. D is right answer. Which cloud commons tools monitor service in real time? अब इसमें क्या क्लाउड वॉच service cloud sensor, cloud matrix, and all of the above. D, all of the above is right answer. Which models define service accessible on cloud platform? Deployment model, service model, network model, security model. B, right answer. भन्नु पर्दैन कि तिमीले आफै आन्सर भने हुन्छ. Okay. The most critical concerns in cloud computing is scalability, storage, security, all of the above. D. T. लॉक किया जाए. Right answer. Which is most restrictive cloud service model? Most restrictive cloud service model. ध्यान सीधा है. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, NaaS. Fast. D wrong answer. जब D त कुनै क्लाउड सर्भिस हैन के हेरेको तिमीहरुले D क्लाउड सर्भिस हो कुनै D मा हेर त NAS क्लाउड सर्भिस हो र wrong answer SaaS which is not cloud computing property virtualization scalability composability and manual provisioning right answer how many phases are involved in cloud computing planning क्लाउड कम्प्युटिङ को प्लानिङ मा कतिवटा स्टेज हुन्छ है ल भन यो दुईटा मोडल अनुसार फरक फरक आन्सर हुन्छ तर यहाँ भएकोलाई राइट आन्सर मानिन्छ है नर्मली क्लाउड कम्प्युटिङ को प्लानिङ मा कतिवटा स्टेज हुन्छ कल 5 right answer which of the following is SAS example Google Workspace ड्रप बक्स सेल्सफोर्स अल अफ देम यो जसो पनि जानेकै थियो तिमीहरूले हैन र अल अफ देम यति सजिलो क्वेसन ओके डी राइट आन्सर डी नै हो राइट आन्सर द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल concept in cloud computing is अब हेर मोस्ट फंडामेंटल concept of cloud computing is abstraction reliability productivity performance गर्ल्स को डेफिनेसन में आउँछ है यसको ट्याक्कै आन्सर फास्ट क्लाउड कम्प्युटिङ को डेफिनेसन त थाहा छ होला नि रङ आन्सर यस अप्सन ए इज राइट आन्सर डेफिनेसन में छ त आन्सर छैन र हार्डवेयर भर्चुअलाइजेसन इज मेनली प्रोवाइडेड इन हार्डवेयर भर्चुअलाइजेसन इज मेनली प्रोवाइडेड इन ध्यान सिधै पढ एसएएस पीएएस आईएएस डीएएस फेरि डीएएस नभने कसको बॉयज को आईएएस राइट आन्सर ओके यसलाई चाहिँ एन्ड गरौँ है त नेक्स्ट सेसनमा चाहिँ अर्को च्याप्टरको एमसीक्यू प्र्याक्टिस गरिन्छ हामीले